Alrighty, so here we are. Have some major updates. We sold our property and we actually moved out of state, and we're living in some apartments for the time being. This is kind of a quick look of the apartment. There's one of the kiddos. It's something. They have a joint room because of our spacing. Obviously the master is over there. But essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing up the format of our channel here from homesteading to, I guess, home building. We're going to be building a house hopefully shortly. Let's see if we can look out here in the apartments. These apartments are still being built. And so we'll probably take you through the process of building a house and all that good stuff. And we will also be doing some product reviews. We got a lot of stuff coming in to review. We'll probably be doing some kiddo stuff and going to some parks, some state parks, national parks, things like that. The beach, treasure hunting, all that good stuff.
And I forgot about the beach.
So we will we'll keep you updated. Just want to give you a heads up that we are still around, we're still alive, and moving forward. Alright, stay tuned. On to the next.